Want to know how to match receipts to transactions without manual entry? In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you how to do it seamlessly, without wasting time on endless manual data input. Whether you're trying to save time on bookkeeping or just want to make sure your receipts align with your financial records, this guide is for you. First, let's break down the typical struggle. Manually matching receipts to transactions is tedious and error-prone. Luckily, there's a much smarter way to handle this process using a tool designed to save you both time and frustration. You don't have to sift through piles of receipts or spend hours entering data manually. Now, to match receipts to transactions without manual entry. The best solution is to use an automated software tool that scans your receipts and matches them with the corresponding transactions in your accounting or bank software. This software does all the heavy lifting, pulling transaction details from your accounts and matching them up with the images or data from your receipts. The process is simple. You upload a picture or a PDF of your receipt into the software. The software scans the receipt and automatically identifies the relevant information, like the date, merchant, and total amount. It then cross-references that information with your transactions and within seconds suggests a match. This means no more digging through bank statements to find where you spent money or keeping track of physical receipts manually. You might be wondering, what if I have a lot of transactions to match? That's where this software really shines. Most platforms use advanced algorithms that can handle bulk receipts efficiently, ensuring that your transaction records stay up to date without you having to touch anything. Plus, many of these systems can even pull receipts from your email or cloud storage automatically, so you're not manually uploading each one. As we go through this process, it's important to mention that while there are a lot of options out there, I've tested a few popular software tools, and in the description below, I've included an exclusive free trial for the software we'll be using in this video. This software has the best automation features for quickly matching receipts to transactions, and it's only available to viewers of my channel. Now, let's talk about what you need to do to get started. Once you've uploaded your receipts, simply let the software work its magic. Within moments, it will show you the matched transactions. You can either confirm the match or manually adjust if there's anything that doesn't quite line up. But most of the time, it's spot on. For your next steps, make sure to integrate the software with your accounting or financial tools, like QuickBooks or Xero, for automatic syncing. This will keep your financial records accurate, up to date, and organized without the need for manual input. Key takeaway. Matching receipts to transactions without manual entry is all about using the right tool that automates the process. With the right software, you can save yourself hours of work and reduce errors. Don't forget to use the exclusive free trial for the software in the description to follow along. To wrap up, upload your receipts, let the software match them to your transactions, and confirm the matches. It's that simple. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check the description for your exclusive free trial and keep things efficient with automated receipt matching.